Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will be discussing what is cloud platform. So a cloud platform is a set of cloud-based services that allows you to run computing, power, storage and software over the internet instead of buying and maintaining your physical machines yourself. So you can think of cloud platform as a electricity. You don't build a power plant in your backyard to run your toaster, refrigerators or AC. You plug in into the wall and pay the utility company for exactly what you use. The cloud platform also works the same way for technology. You plug in into their massive data centers to run your applications or to store your files. In modern era, a cloud platform is the engine room of the internet. It provides the heavy lifting of servers, storage, security, so business can focus on building their specific applications and not the infrastructure. So this cloud platform includes computing power such as virtual machines, containers, storage, databases, networking, developmental tools, and security and monitoring services. So this cloud platform provides everything to run your IT infrastructure virtually. The top cloud platform providers are AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. So AWS are the market leader in cloud platform. They offer wide range of tools and services. And the next one is Azure, that integrates deeply with Windows and corporate environments, basically Office 365. And then comes GCP, which is very strong in data analytics, AI, and machine learning workloads. So this is all about cloud platform. And in the next video, we'll be discussing what is Google Cloud Platform. I'll see you there. Happy learning.